Well, spring is the season when home improvers get to work. It's also the season when home improvement manufacturers roll out the new products for that season. And here are a few of my favorites. We'll start with the Werner Podium Ladder. Now, this is a brand new class of ladders from Werner. It's called the Podium Ladder because it has the same height, the same access or reach as a 6-foot ladder, but you really only have to go up 4 feet to stand on the podium. This work zone is 4 times the surface of an average step ladder. And now that you're up here, you have an extended reach. So you can work any direction, you can paint, you can hang curtains. It's a very solid, secure space. You have a guardrail at the top where you can put your hardware and your tools. The bottom feet have been completely redesigned, so it's really rock solid, and it holds 300 pounds. So it's not going anywhere. It's very efficient. You can get a lot of work done with this ladder. Now there's another tool out from Stanley, which I think is pretty neat, called the TLM65. Now what it is a laser distance measurer. So it starts with a laser. So you can point the laser exactly where you want to measure. Then with one click, you get your measurement. It's as simple as that. This is so easy to use. Basically, point, click, and you're done. It's very affordable, and it works very, very well. So this is terrific for homeowners, realtors, painters, builders. It just gives you point and click measuring. It will handle distance, area, and volume, and it's super compact and very lightweight. Now, if you're going to tackle a painting project in your house, you want to tackle it with frog tape. Frog tape is treated with paint block technology, and this tape gives you very sharp, clean lines. So you're not going to get that tape bleed or that paint bleed behind the tape. What it has is this paint block technology reacts with the latex in the paint, and it seals those edges in. Now, they're also running a contest now called the Earn Your Stripes Room Makeover Contest, and they have a new product called Shape Tape, which has different shapes. So, for example, you could have the chevron, the wave, or the scallop, and this could enable you to do some really interesting types of patterns in your project. Now, speaking of the paint category, there's a spray paint out now from Krylon, which is called Dual Superbond Paint Plus Primer. And what's neat about this is not only does it handle wood or metal, it also will handle plastic. So you could paint lawn furniture, you could paint melamine shelves, you could paint laminates, and it's going to stick to that surface. Now, if it's a metal product that you're painting, it's going to have maximum rust protection. There's no sanding, there's no priming, and it comes in a wide variety of colors and sheens, even a metallic hammered finish. That's available from $4.99 to $5.99 a can, so a really easy way to personalize a piece of furniture or another thing around your house. Now let's talk about allergies. May is National Asthma and Allergy Awareness Month. If you suffer from allergies, you should think about the Filtrete Micro Allergen Reduction Filter. Add this to your HVAC system. You're going to block pollen, you're going to block dust, lint from the air that passes through the filter, but you're not going to block the AC system itself, so it won't stress it out. The filter on the right is what it looks like after 3 months. Think of it this way. You either use a good filter or you are a filter. You don't want your lungs to look like that. So this is a terrific product that will help you. And Filtrete also has filters that will block odors and other things inside your house. So take a look at the Filtrete line. It's really terrific at making you more comfortable with the air quality inside your house. Now, lastly, if you have a sump pump in your house, you want to know when that thing is running, right? Because you don't want to have a flood to happen. This is called the Advantech Cellular Monitoring System. Basically, what this does is actually texts you when you're having a flood condition. So if you have a high water condition and the pump's on, it's going to text you and tell you that it's on. If there's a power failure, it will text you and tell you there's a power failure. And let's say you're at work, it's a big storm that rolls through, you wonder if the pump's working, you can text to the pump, it will text back and tell you its status. Now it works on any text-capable phone. You don't need a landline, you don't need an internet connection, and you can buy it either with the Wayne half-horsepower sump, or you could buy it separately and attach it to your existing sump system. So a really cool technological improvement that will give you a lot of peace of mind and protect your house from flooding, which can be a really serious issue. So just a few examples of the spring home improvement products that are out right now. If you want more information, you can find it on our website at moneypit.com.